the 2022 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.